Hey everyone, we're pretty excited for turning 23. I had plans of going on solo trip, but that's not going to happen because of COVID. And first video where I'm going to be sharing 23 things that I learned over these 23 years. These are going to be very silly, but just watch it without judging, and I might be wrong. So let's get started. So the first one is nothing lasts, good or bad. It's just the time you have to stay strong if the things are going really wrong in your life. When your mental health is taking a chance, you just have to think that is just the time and just take a nap. Just have some long sleep. Next one is going with the flow. Sometimes you don't have to plan a lot in life. I mean, think about the things 5 years later or 10 years later. Maybe it's with the job or the relationship or your career. You don't have to, just go with the flow, just chill, and everything's gonna be good. It's my people who will be there with me. Always know those top 5 or 7 people in your life. Always give them time, just prioritize them. I'm really sorry with the pronunciation, I'm just struggling with saying that word. So always give them importance, especially your parents and friends. They're really important in life. And next is love can happen all over again. Thinking that you will never fall in love, you will never have a relationship in your life is really wrong. Especially in your 20s, you're gonna have breakups, and you should be okay with it, and you're gonna find your love of your life anytime soon. Knowing when to shut up and talking less. Sometimes you have to always save your energy. You don't have to talk a lot. It's not important. You always have to keep your point in that conversation. If you feel like it doesn't deserve your energy, you don't have to. Just lose, but it's okay because you're saving your energy. Being grateful, a very small word which has a lot of energy. Just be grateful for things that you have. When you're sleeping, just think that you have like a cozy bed, which some people do not have. So just when you cook something good, and also grateful for people in your life, your friends. It's not always a good idea to say about something or someone when someone is going through some bad situation, or they just come to share with you. You don't have to give your opinion all the time. You just have to be there and listen to them. Sometimes that's just what people want. Just listen to them. You have to be a good listener. Next, a hobby except your job or your studies. If you like drawing or painting, do that. Or if you like going to gym, you can just go and hit the gym. You can make friends. So you should have something. You should like something else other than that. If you don't like, you can force yourself to do something. I mean, do something, okay? Always keep in touch with your friends whom you really want. I mean, you should always make efforts to be in touch with your close friends. You will have to try contacting them, arrange like a video call once in a week. And shout out to my best friends who always make an effort to talk to me every day, listen to my shitty painful stories. And yeah, I'm really grateful for them because there's no day they don't call me up. If I don't call them up, they'll call me up. Weekly and monthly goals over long-term goals. Consider if you want to achieve like a fitness, you have like a fitness target, so you have to go week by week, or just 3 days 4 days a week. So you'll have to reward yourself if you're working out a week. If you are working out the whole week, you should give like a small a cheat day or some just small present for yourself. No job is small unless it is making you independent. Just hear it once again. No job is small. I had the situation where I have friends around who are working in technical sector, who are working part-time inside technical sector, but I'm working in non-technical, but I don't mind unless I'm not sitting idle. Exercising and eating healthy is so important. So once you start working out, you will start eating healthy because you want to maintain your diet and you want to have a lot of energy the next day. So if you work out and eat healthy, you'll have good sleep cycle because you will have good body soreness and you will have some deep sleep. Everything is interconnected, so try working out and you will see a lot of changes in your life. Stop talking to anybody about their looks and weights always. Let everyone be how they are around you. It's lot other than looks. Don't have to talk about it every time, and everyone don't have to look good every time. Everybody takes their life on their own pace, so everybody has their own journey, everybody has their own way of taking the life. And low life shouldn't stop you from partying, because I had this phase when I had no part-time job. I wouldn't go to parties, I would just sit, I would say no for the parties. But you shouldn't do that. If you're going through a breakup or anything low in your life, just give yourself some time and go party. Social media is not real life, and everybody is going to show only their good times. So it's better you don't scroll through Instagram or Snapchat if you're having a bad day. Just keep your phone. Always take a moment to appreciate. It's always appreciate yourself. You don't have to cancel your birthday plans for. If your friend gets a job, just go and cut a cake and just make them feel good. Appreciate yourself. Appreciate others. You feel like your life is filled with appreciations and good times. Those small things will add on. And I think this I have taken it from my mom, that it's always important to make celebrations. Okay to be average in life. Not everyone can be a topper, not everyone can be successful, not everyone will have bigger dreams, will have to achieve in life. It's okay to be average. It's okay to have an average job with average income, with an average family, with everything average. And if you're happy mentally, that's what it really matters. So next is confidence in life. So whenever you're taking any decisions or doing anything in life, have confidence, have courage. You'll have to develop it yourself. You should be confident enough and work towards what you want, and you will really achieve. It's okay to change life partners and be selfish. If the people in the relationship are not happy, there's no point in just taking the relationship. Be compassionate towards everyone. I mean, I believe in what goes around comes around theory a lot, so it's better. I always try to develop a nature of being compassionate and love everyone, and yeah, and also prioritize. Oh my god, I struggle saying this word. I'm really sorry. Prioritize. Yeah, prioritize your mental health, because if you're not happy here, you might have friends, you might have
everything in your life, you might have money, you might have everything in your life. Oh my god, you're not going to be they're not going to make you happy. You should be happy from here, and then you can enjoy everything. I mean the physical things, or else you are not going to be. You can never enjoy if you are mentally drained or mentally lost somewhere.
And love yourself. The final one, I'm not sure if these were 23. Loving yourself, loving your hair, loving your face, loving everything, loving your nail, loving you. Every bit of yourself is so important. I mean, just hug yourself. You're doing good in life. Maybe you might have taken some wrong decisions. Having confidence, loving yourself, and just celebrating life is so important. And I know it's very easy to tell, but it's so important. I know you're going to do it. Please comment down what do you think about this video. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.